was this moment in my life that I was like totally heartbroken. My friends told me, you have to try this. So you also told me to speak about the purpose. So while I was doing the project, the purpose was to heal myself, and that really worked. So now I'm like feeling much better. But then you told me, speak about your purpose now. And I really trying to answer that question. And I think that there is not a purpose anymore. No, and I want to explain that. I'm more I'm feeling more this immediacy thing that things are like happening. So now it's like I don't have a purpose to do the temple, so it's like the temple just came and took my life, kind of. Yeah, you can feel that. Yeah. So it's more about not anymore about my purpose. You know, it's about all the purposes of you guys here. So it's like I'm feeling at every second your purpose is to do this. So it's like it made the work before during the project. It was my purpose to heal myself, and now it's like sharing. And it's also, I think, it's a project that I don't want to give answers. So it's a project that I think it's a temple that wants to ask questions. So it's not that we are going to tell you how to heal or to go through the process. So it's a place where you can make questions and try to find answers, but we are not giving the answers. So this is a very autobiographical project, as you see, and we wanted to do this temple that it was more related to nature. No? So we wanted to go back to these temples that are like the sacred rock, the sacred lake, so going back to nature. So that's why we decided to work with this huge black rock that at the end is like a big heart that has been shattered in 1,000 pieces. And then after going through the healing, it's completed again and it's more strong. But that was the idea at the beginning, when I was like going through that process, and we were talking about the Kintsugi thing that we are like healing, but actually the cracks are not golden cracks, and this heart is not fixed yet, so it is still broken. So that's what we're going to build. We are going to still be building a broken heart that for one moment the golden parts will arise when we burn it. So there will be like 1 second that we are like healed, but after that there will be nothing again. So it was a lot more about the process. It's not that we have a goal, so we are always in the immediacy. So, but maybe in 1 month we will change storytelling. Because as I told you, it's been a process, so it's like every 2 weeks I go back to myself and I say, okay, where are we now? And I think it's really a nice part of this project. And now that we are here together, we can also change the storytelling, and everyone will have their storytelling. So this is not a project that wants to tell you how to heal, how to do things, what are the answers. It's a project for us to gather together and let's build this. And okay, there are more slides and more technical things, but I think you can see them on the wall. We can speak later. There is food, there is beer, and there's a great group of people here that also want to share with you some ideas. So who's next? Thank you very much.